Hey loves, it's your girl Jill with a set and welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial, I am doing this beautiful soft glam. My last tutorial, it was all about the full glam. It was all about whoosh, red carpet fall full glam. Today's look is all about the very soft glam. Not gonna lie, the lashes are dramatic, but who would I be without dramatic lashes? So you could definitely downscale the lashes if you want to, do more natural lashes, that's up to you. I am not gonna do that. I feel like my ponytail right here is not in the middle of my head, and I'm not going to fix it again. I already fixed it 3 times. I'm done. I'm over it. But before we can jump into this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and give your girl a like and turn on the notifications. That way when I upload a new tutorial, you could check it out. Going to prep my skin with these 2 products. My holy grail, Natasha Denona Hydrating Skin Glass Primer Serum and Bionic Glow. Just glow. It is going to give you that dewy, soft, healthy looking skin. And this is perfect for dry skin, which I have. And remember, fall is here and winter is following. If you have dry skin, you want to use as much hydrating products as possible because we already have dry skin and now we have to battle the elements. And we want to make sure our skin is. So I'm going to use my brow pencil from Give. So for a soft look, I like to make my brows as light as possible. Taking my P. Louise base in Rumor 4, and I'm going to be carving out my brows. I'm going to take my brush from Juno and Company. It's like a firm flat brush, and I am going to apply this all over the eyelid. This is going to neutralize my eyelid color and give me a clean base. And allow the eyeshadow colors to really pop and be brighter. So I'm going to take my One Size setting powder and a fluffy brush. I'm just going to set it. A lot of people like to leave the base wet, but for me, in my opinion, the eyeshadow comes out a lot more messy. So we are working with She Glam Smart Cookie Palette. This is beautiful neutral palette. This palette is amazing. So we're gonna start off with right here. Actually, no, we're gonna start off with ginger snap. So we're gonna put it right here along the crease. Right here. And we're gonna stop right here. We don't want to bring it out. This is a soft glam, so we're gonna stop where the eye ends. We're gonna go in with Churro. Use the same brush. I'm gonna go ahead. And notice how I'm putting my brush back and forth in a sweeping motion. And then when I get to this part, I'm just circling it like so, just to buff it out. Take brown sugar, and this is a clean brush, no product on it. It's like a pointed fluffy brush. They have no names on these guys. Some of them I get them for when they had pack, when it was like a big pack. So they don't have names, but nice pointed brush. So now again, we are going to just deepen this right here. Also, hold the brush towards the end like so. We want to have very light and minimal control because all we're trying to do honestly is just disperse the product. Notice when I get here, I'm doing a circular movement just to really buff out. So we're going right here again. And we're just doing circular motion. I tried using this color here from Wet n Wild. Didn't like it. It wasn't showing up strong enough. I went back into the cookie palette and I'm using Devil's Food. Buffing it out. Same thing here. I'm just buffing it out. So I'm going to take this color here from the Wet n Wild Color Icon. Take my fluffy brush for my Morphe. And again, you see where I'm holding it towards the end? I want light and minimal control when blending. So I'm going back in with my base and a firm flat brush. And I am just going to cut my crease. Now I'm going to take a clean brush and I am just going to soften up that crease. I don't want a line. I don't want to see the cut crease line. So now we're going to do the same to the other eye. So now we'll go in with this color right here, Fortune Teller, and we're gonna apply it where we put the cut crease. Where we cut the crease. Not where we put the cut crease. Actually, it could be, maybe? No, we're gonna apply it where we had cut the crease. Now I'm gonna take this brown eyeliner. It is from Wet n Wild, Simma Brown, and I'm going to line my eyes very thinly because we're gonna smoke it out anyway. Now I'm taking Devil's Food and I'm taking my brush from Moda Pro and it is BMX 402 Smudger. I'm just going to smudge out this harsh line. Now let me apply my lash. So I put my lash on off camera because camera died, so I actually had no choice. Thinly line the eyes, so we're gonna smudge it out. So now we're just blending out that harsh brown line. Again, we want nothing harsh on this look. Everything is soft. What he do? So let me apply this. I'm going to take my Dior Skin Corrector Concealer. And I usually apply the setting spray after I apply the concealer just to allow it to add more coverage and it's going to last a lot longer. My Patrick, this is the Holy Grail. I like to let it dry for a little bit. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna start to blend this out. eye setting powder, the absolute holy grail of setting powder. Makeup by Mario Skin Sculpt in dark. Press down and then go up. Press down and then go up. I'm going to soup it like so. So now we need a peach. We're gonna use Joy from Rare Beauty, which is a peach blush. Apply this all over. And take some Sweet Cheeks, the Glam blush trio. Use these two colors. You see how the blush is disconnected from the highlight? We have concealer and then blush. There's like a little line. We want all of this to flow together. So I want to melt these two together. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Nude palette, these two colors. And I'm just going to apply it right here to melt it like that. So you see how it's melting so far? This side, you see the difference? So I want to apply some bronzer. I'm going to take this, what color is this? It is from Rimmel London Nude. I'm just going to line the waterline. Take some eyeshadow. And I'm going to line right underneath that waterline. Take some mascara and I am going to light on my bottom lashes. So for the lips, I'm going to take Charlotte Tilbury Foxy Brown. Usually I use my MAC Chestnut, but that's a little too dark. I want to keep it very soft and light.